So I'm just going to look at the left hand for bars 10 to the end. So to start with, we just have a lovely long note, which is the B flat, which is one string lower than middle C. So it's going to last for a whole bar. And then your hand's going to get ready with thumb on the G above middle C and your third finger on middle C. And then it's going to be the thumb that plays first, and that lasts for a whole bar as well. And then you're going to play a third finger for a whole bar. So how I did it there, because I was talking, it probably wasn't very in time, but we'll try it again. We'll get it in time. Okay, now how that fits with the right hand. So this is what the right hand's doing. Okay, so it's this chord here, D and F. And then after the D and F, you're putting 1, 2, and 3 on these notes here. So E flat, D, and C. And the E flat comes first, you're playing down from the top. And just watch out that these ones here, the D and the C, are lovely and long. So if we put it together, we get. Okay, then if we add in bar 9 at the beginning, because that's not too tricky, that's just chords going up step by step, okay? Do it once more.